for tonight, kasama po natin si Engineer Pinka from Pinka Engineering Services at awarded po sila Premier Business Outstanding Premier Business Outstanding Construction Company. So, ma'am, ano po ang inyo pong nararamdaman for tonight?
Ay, sobrang thankful ako sa Visual Corporation and Southeast Asian Premier Business Achievers Award for this award, and very grateful to all the team na nandito ngayon at sa mga awardees din.
And po, Ma'am Pinka, pwede niyo po bang i-share sa amin kung ano po, or pwede niyo po bang sabihin kung ano ang pinagkaiba ng Southeast Asia Premier Business Award sa ibang award-giving bodies?
I think kung kayo po ay mga business katulad ko, I highly suggest Southeast Asian Premier Business and Achievers Award. They're from the very start po talaga sobrang maasikaso nila, and they will help you a lot with regards to the marketing and advertising of your company.
Ayan po. Ma'am, alam ko na hindi ganun kadali makakakuha ng award, lalo na po yung award yung Outstanding Construction Company. Isa po sa pinakamahirap na mag-leave ng mark sa mga sa mga customers natin is yung talagang construction. So, nakasalala yung safety nila, diba po?
Yes.
So, ma'am, pwede niyo po bang i-share sa amin kung ano po ang secret niyo po to success?
I think our secret to success is that personally, me and my team as well, we believe that a goal without an action is just a dream. So that's our edge. We take action, we take risks until we achieve our goal. That's all.
And thank you so much po. Muli po, congratulations po sa Pinka Engineering Services.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.